Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Toman again, and we are doing Math 3D Shapes Lesson 2. Now before we get on to lesson 3D Shapes, I want to ask you a question. Does 10 and 7 make 19? Does 10 and 7 make 19? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the 7, I'm going to hide the 0. So 10 and 7, is that 19? No. 10 and 7 do not make 19. 10 and 7 make 17. I have one more for you. Does 10 and 6 make 18? Let's put the 6 over the 0. 10 and 6 make, that's right, 16. Very good job. Okay, so now on to our lesson. So if you can see this boy, what is he holding? He is holding a sphere. Now, down below you will see how to spell sphere. Can you spell it with me? S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. And I am holding a sphere. Next, let me go back up, I'm sorry. A sphere, like we said yesterday, has no faces and no vertices. It is round. Here, the little girl is holding a cone. And can you spell it with me? C-O-N-E, cone. Here's the cone that I found. It has one flat surface, which is the bottom, and no vertices. This is a rounded side. Just one flat face or side. Okay, next, this girl, what is she holding? She's holding a cylinder. Can you spell that with me? C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. And here is the cylinder that I found. It has two flat faces or sides, no vertices, no points, and rounded. This is a rounded edge. This next, the girl is holding a cube. Can you spell cube with me? C-U-B-E, cube. And my cubes were these two tiny dice. I'm going to take one die and we're going to count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 sides, and let's count the points, the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, to review, here is a sphere. It has no faces because it's all round. There's no vertices, and some real-life examples are a soccer ball, beach ball, basketball, and a baseball. Our next one, does anybody know what the name of that is? A cube. It has 6 square faces and 8 vertices, 8 corners. A real-life example of that is block, ice cube, dice, or a box. And then there's many other examples than just these here. Our next one, does anyone know what that is? It's a cone. It has one circle face at the bottom and no vertices. Some real-life examples: birthday hat, a parking cone, an ice cream cone, and a snow cone. And the last one is a cylinder. The cylinder has 2 circular faces and no vertices, no points. Can of beans, a block, that reminds me of the blocks that we have in school. Another can and a can of soda. So here we go for our lesson. So let's take a look here. It says, I can compare solid shapes. So what they wanted you to do here is match this shape with the real life one. So this here is a sphere. So which one of these is a sphere? That's right, it would be the basketball. So you would draw a line from the sphere to the basketball. Okay, let's look at this shape. Which one is this? It's a cube. So is can a cube? Cone a cube? We already know this is a sphere. Is a box a cube? That's right, a box is a cube. So we would draw a line from this cube to the box, which is a cube. It's a real life example of a cube. All right, this next one is called a cylinder. So we only have two left because we know this is a sphere and we know this one is a cube. So would the can be a cylinder or would the cone be a cylinder? That's right, the can is a cylinder. So we would draw the picture of a cylinder, I would draw a line, from the picture of the cylinder to the real life example of a cylinder, which was a can. And then, of course, we only have one left because we know this is a cylinder, this is a sphere, and this is a cube. So we would draw a line from this picture of a cone to the real life picture of a cone. We would draw a line there. Now, in this bottom box here, they want you to search for and write how many there are of each. So, I would like you to count how many cubes there are with me. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cubes. So in this box, next to the cube, you would write 4. Now here is a cylinder. Can you help me count the cylinders in the picture and find them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to count it again just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this box here, I would write the number 5. I'm going to check for the spheres here. Now, I know it looks like a circle because it's flat, but you got to remember we're doing 3D shapes. So it would be a solid figure. So let's count how many spheres there are here. 1, 2. So you would write a number 2 in this box. And last but not least, there is a cone. So what I want you to do is count with me how many cones are in the picture. 1, 2, 3. And of course, you would write the number 3 here. Now, for your work, I would like you to draw the picture of a cube and then write the number of cubes that are in the picture. And same with the cylinder. I want you to try your best to draw a cylinder and write how many there are in the picture. Same with the sphere and same with the cone. What we just did, I want your parents to take a picture and send it to me for your work for the day. All right, thank you guys. I hope you learned a lot about some 3D shapes today. I'll see you soon, hopefully. Bye-bye.